Hello, I just wanted to make sure that I visually show you what I've been trying to do and what I've been struggling with for the last two terms. Essentially, what I do is I try to embed HTML kinds of functions or features into the course so that candidates can actually see like my Google Forms and things of that nature in real time. So essentially, what is supposed to be here is supposed to be the embedded HTML or the embedded document, which is in HTML. I'm trying to make sure I get the verbiage right. And I go in there by editing the form information, and it shows on the back end that there is something there. But when you go to view it, it's not there. So the HTML code is here down at the bottom, and it seems to like edit things out, and it's only showing the frame or whatever, but not all the other information that relates to where the document is, etc. Now, I've followed the same steps as I've done before, where I've actually gone to what I need to embed, and I say publish to the web, say I want to embed, I would highlight this information. And so all the beginning of the docs, Google, whatever, whatever, that information, when pasted here, is not staying for some reason. It's only giving you, this kind of information. Now, I have done this several times in the past. This is from the course that I taught in October, and you see that it's there. I followed the same exact steps. So when I go in to edit and I come down to the bottom, this document basically is embedded in HTML form. And if you go down here, you'll see that it stays, the source and all the information stays there. But when I do it for this month and what I did even for my last month course, for some reason it's editing the HTML function out or the information out. So when I go to view it, it's not there. And I can actually show you again because it's not really like a copying error. It's actually, like I said, doing its own thing and editing out certain parts. So if I clear that part, put that back in there, and what I've always found is that I have to update it and it automatically formats over there. And if I go back and open it back up again, it tells me, the frame size or whatever, which I usually just try to increase the size here, update it, it's there. Then when I want to go and center it, I center it this way because I don't particularly look at the HTML code to center. But as you see, it's not there. And if we go back in here to actually open it, I mean, not open, I'm sorry. If I go back in here to the discussion board portion and I actually go into edit again, we'll notice that the HTML language or information has actually been edited and the source is no longer there. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I was hoping that someone would be able to assist me in making sure that the information stays there so that this box would actually show up and is something that the candidates can see once they log on or sign up, that they can get it. Now, I did, and I'm assuming that this is working. I did link up the document here using just the link information. And so they can see it here. I still have to come here and edit this stuff out, but all of that can be done in real time with embedding. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's happening. So if anybody can help me, I greatly appreciate it.